playing this song, Warning Signs by the group called Band of Horses. The intro starts on B minor. The song is in the key of A. So if A is the 1, that means B minor is the 2. We're just playing it on the top 3 strings at the 7th fret. And then he does 9 on the high E. Then we go to D at the 10th fret. We're just playing like an F shape. And then you can, if you want to hammer on that one, you can do the 12th fret on the B string. And then take that same shape and slide it to the 5, and we got our A chord. And again, you can hammer onto the 7, just like we hammered onto the 12. For the D, you can hammer on the 7 on the B string. We're playing arpeggios. And the final chord is E. And we're playing that out of like a bar chord shape, but we're just playing the top 4 strings. We're playing G, D, we're playing G, D, G, B. The hammer on there is at the 13. And then back to the, like a little pre-chorus. That's D. This time we're playing it at the 5th fret. You could just use the A shape if you want. Slide it up, E. And then F sharp minor at fret. You could, if you want to simplify it, you could play this shape. It's like a stair step shape across the G, B, E. Index is on 9. Okay, and then they go into the chorus. So the chorus starts on B minor. They throw in a passing chord in the chorus. They throw. So we're just going from a C sharp to D after the B minor. A. And then F sharp minor was the passing chord to E. So if you're having any difficulty playing it, you can leave out the C sharp and you can leave out the F sharp minor. You just play it like. And like that guitar that's playing like a kind of solo lines, I would just slide on the D string. Alright, thanks for watching. Have fun playing that song. Bye.